Alrighty, so we are in 2026 and the drudgery of December is finally over, and this is EURUSD daily forecast for Monday the 5th of January 2026. So this is the daily chart. This is where we are. We've had a break in market structure over here, and after a break in structure we can expect a pullback to happen, which to me has already finished. We had a change of character happening over here, and after that this was the internal break of structure, which led me to believe that now the daily is back to its bullish trends. So at the moment we've kind of come into this bit of supply. We came in here, we had a reaction, we came in here, we again had a stronger reaction, and I expect that this is just to kind of come down maybe to this demand, and from here we continue further. So as far as the daily is concerned, the swing structure is bullish. Right now we've had a pullback and that pullback is over, so what I would favor would be longs, and we are looking at targeting this weak swing high. This is the strong swing low, and I expect this to be taken out. So that's as far as the daily is concerned. And again, my expectation is that price is going to come down to this demand zone. Moving on to the 4-hour, this is where we are, and so the 4-hour is bullish. We had a break of market structure here. We had a bit of a pullback. Was this deep enough? No, not for me. So we wait a little longer, and now we've swept this high over here, and now we are coming down. We also see that we've had a change of character here, and to me this was the internal break of structure, so this has been taken out. So now for me the 4-hour is playing the pullback. So internally this is bearish, and we can expect the pullback to come down to at least to equilibrium, which is around here, somewhere over here, and which kind of coincides with the daily demand zone that we saw, and we expect price to kind of come down here and then bounce up from here. So that's as far as the 4-hour is concerned. In terms of areas to trade from, well, nothing really exceptional over here that I see as far as this daily zone is concerned. So I don't see too much of a 4-hour zone over here, but once price comes in here, we can always look at what we'd like to do with this. So that's as far as the 4-hour is concerned. We do have, I mean, of course, price doesn't really have to do what we think it'll do, because I also see this as a 4-hour demand zone here, which is it important, or did it really lead to something? Well, it all depends. Let's just take a look at this. From here we've had, we took out this main structure, but again price came down here, and then we kind of this is the move which actually took out the swing high. So this something in this area will definitely lead to probably the pullback getting over, and then we aligning back to the bullish swing structure as far as daily is concerned. So again, to sum up, on the 4-hour, the swing structure is bullish. However, we are now playing the pullback, and we expect the pullback to come down somewhere over here. That's the bare minimum that I would think, and then price kind of continues. This is this gray one is a 1-hour zone. So even when price comes down here, we expect price to maybe creep up here, something like probably this, and then we kind of come down. So I'm expecting price might just pull up to somewhere here, or maybe over here, and then it kind of goes forward. So that's what this is. Moving on to the M15. The M15 is bearish, which is in line with the 4-hour pullback that we are observing, and we've had a break of structure here, and we can now expect price to pull back to somewhere near these zones, or maybe even up to this one. So that's as far as the M15 is concerned. So currently, what I do expect the price to kind of pull back further into this. So I would, and again, keeping in line that the swing structure is bearish, I would expect price to pull up, and then I would be favoring shorts. So that's my outlook for the moment. And this could, develop maybe over a period of, I don't know, the next few days, or maybe this week or something like that. But this is Asia. We are right now in the London zone, and yeah, I mean, it's not really going anywhere at the moment. So yeah, just sit on your hands and don't do anything at the moment. Just wait for price to show you its intent and then act accordingly. Here's also wishing you all a great year ahead, and may the markets be with you.